In today's video, I'm going to tell you and show you exactly how stand-up pouches are made in the various steps when it comes to making them. First and foremost, you've got to understand what your product is. What are you packaging? Does it need to be protected from moisture, vapor, odor, sunlight? That'll give us some idea on the material structures you're going to want to use. Now, second step here is the design. Oftentimes, and sadly, companies will start with the design and then they mail it in when it comes to the proper barrier protection for their product. This is the death knell. You want to start and make sure almost simultaneously you protect your product first while designing what you want your packaging to look like. This is absolutely critical. Now, there's different types of printing. You've got digital, you've got Rotogravure, which is generally a European style. Flexographic has been done more so in the US. The beauty here is we can do all of them. Digital printing is great for small runs, for a one-time order, and something that's not going to repeat. Rotogravure is by and large the highest quality, highest caliber printing in the world. The beauty here with Rotogravure is it's easy to understand. Every color on your artwork needs a cylinder. That's it. There's no setup fees, there's no extra charges. You need a cylinder, and the cylinder generally is about $225 to $250, depending on who's selling it to you. I've had some people say they're $500, but we sell ours for $225 on average. But the beauty is they're under warranty for at least 2 years, and it's very simple. If you make a change to that artwork, generally speaking, you are changing only one cylinder because that change, if it has to do with, say, text or ingredients, that is one color. So just very easy to understand. Now, flexographic is made with plates and there's generally all kinds of hidden things. Flexographic is great printing. It's expensive, can get a little clunky, and I find a lot of gimmicks in there where some flexographic companies will, try to, well, we can combo these runs for you and save you some money. There really isn't. But the point is when it comes to printing, flexographic in some instances can be as good as Rotogravure, but it's also extremely expensive. Flexographic generally here in North America, Rotogravure in Europe and in Asia. Okay, some things to keep in mind. Now, the type of structure to use to protect your product. First of all, depending on what you're packaging, is it liquid, is it powder, is it very sensitive to moisture, odor, vapor, whatever, that'll all depend on what type of material your supplier will recommend. Do you want to be able to see the product? Do you need a window? Does it need to biodegrade? Is this something that is going to be recycled? How is it going to be recycled? Is it something that's going to be returned to store and recycled, or recycled in a regular recycle bin? All of these things have something to do with the type of materials and structures that you use, okay? Then you get into, once that's done, you get into the printing aspect, forming the pouches, cutting them and sealing them into size, etc. Then, of course, you've got quality and quality checks and pressurization and making sure that everything holds and is done properly. The point with this video is a lot of times people assume or believe this is a very simple one-stop shop, and it really isn't. When you're making barrier film and barrier packaging, you have to protect the product first, then design the artwork second, and make sure, obviously, the right material structure for the right product. You don't want to overpay, but you also don't want to underpay and go cheap and have your product go bad, and then you're out of business. So I hope this is helpful. If it was helpful, please like it and share it, and let us know and subscribe if we can help you in any